Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be breaking down and giving you more insights about how our celebrity crush Yemi Alade takes her makeup off when she wants to go to bed. As you all know, Yemi has a really amazing looking skin. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Step 1. Wipe your makeup off with soft makeup facial wipes infused with either cucumber or vitamin C. Facial makeup remover wipes with cucumber extract are full of rejuvenating vitamins A plus C. They soften and soothe the skin, plus deliver gentle hydration process, leaving you refreshed. They also have cooling properties to help keep your skin supple and fresh, with a fragrance that soothes and relaxes. Facial makeup remover wipes with cucumber are great on your skin and instantly remove all of your makeup. Even though the wipes are oil-free, they don't leave your skin dried out. Plus, they are soft and smell so heavenly and fresh. These wipes are so versatile. You can use them at the gym to wipe down sweaty skin and down there. Step 2. Apply an oil-based makeup remover and massage round the face for 30 seconds non-stop. Oil-based makeup removers work this way: it breaks down the oil-based makeup and sebum on your skin, lifts the impurities, and allows you to wipe them away easily. Oil-based makeup removers are great if you tend to wear foundation or heavy makeup. Step 3. Apply a water-based cleanser on a soft cotton pad and clean face thoroughly. What does a water-based cleanser do? Water-based cleansers clean the skin by removing impurities from the surface. Water-soluble particles like dirt, dust, grime, makeup, and oils dissolve along with the lather and detach themselves from the surface of the skin. Step 4. Ensure to apply a salicylic acid-based cleanser on your blackheads and spots. As opposed to alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, that simply exfoliate the skin's surface layer, BHAs like salicylic acid penetrate through oil and work hard to unclog pores. It gets to work like a little jackhammer, Dr. Shamban adds, breaking down dead skin cells and dissolving impurities that build up and cause breakouts. It's most commonly known for helping clear pores of dirt, reducing acne-causing sebum production, and dissolving dead skin cells, says Dr. Annie Chiu, MD, board-certified dermatologist and founder of the Derm Institute in Manhattan Beach. Because it has anti-inflammatory properties, penetrates deep into the pores, and acts as a chemical exfoliation, it can greatly help reduce mild acne while working to prevent future breakouts, Chiu explains to Cosmo. So basically, salicylic acid is a natural BHA that works to kick acne's ass by penetrating deep into the skin, unclogging pores, and therefore renewing your skin. And you can purchase it at a concentration of up to 2% at basically any local drug or cosmetic store near you. Yep, you'd be right, my friend. Step 5. Apply a moisturizer. Moisturizer is a major component of basic daily skincare. It is an important part of a dermatologist's strategy to maintain skin health as well as treating various dermatoses which coexist with skin dryness and are linked to impaired skin barrier function, such as in atopic disorders as well as other types of dermatitis. Moisturizers are typically made up of ingredients that fall into the following categories: humectants, emollients, and occlusives. Humectants attract water and include ingredients like hyaluronic acid, panthenol, glycerin, and sodium PCA. Emollients act as lubricants and soften the skin. Step 6. Drop a small amount of peppermint oil around the edge of your face. Peppermint oil comes from the peppermint plant, which is a hybrid of spearmint and water mint. People have used peppermint oil for centuries to treat a range of illnesses, including digestive conditions, colds, and headaches. Peppermint oil is promoted for topical use or applied to the skin for problems like headache, muscle aches, joint pain, and itching. In aromatherapy, peppermint oil is promoted for treating coughs and colds, reducing pain, improving mental function, and reducing stress. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly leave a comment to tell us what you think. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore.